So this is a large box from CDNN. So it's a brand new Browning Buckmark, and it cost $300 to my door. This is a good price. When I was told about it, I checked my wholesaler prices, and they can't come anywhere near this. It does appear to come with just one magazine. It's a totally fixed front sight. It's black finished. Gold trigger. Has a slide stop and a safety. Fully adjustable rear sight. It's designed for target shooting. It's marked Browning Arms. And there we go. I haven't used one of these for quite a while. Between this and a Mark IV Ruger, those are two of the best .22 pistols made. I don't like the Walther, but the Buckmark and the Ruger Mark IV are just wonderful. So it comes with a lock, standard stuff. Now, a customer of mine purchased this, but I think I'll go see if I can buy a couple more for the shop. This is a box from AR Discounts. It's just AD. Their name. A lot of these firearms related companies don't like to reveal their name, which is probably a good idea, even though I'm foolish enough to include my business name on the mailing label. Now this is August 6th, so we're right in the middle of this corona madness. I found myself in need of some AR stuff. And right now you have to shop anywhere you can. Yes, I was drinking. This is a, let's see if there's a sheet in here. Okay, there is. This is a stainless steel magazine, latch and push button. And that cost a little less than $10. What I really wanted was one or two of these olive drab magazines. Now I would have been glad to buy a metal one or a plastic one or whatever. In this case it's a hybrid magazine, and I had an olive drab furniture set sitting around, at least the buttstock and the handguard. And so I thought I'd like an olive drab magazine. I'm going to sell it, but it would be nice to have a magazine that matched the color scheme. So this is a polymer magazine with steel feed lips that wrap around, and I don't think they're molded in. I think they wrap around and fit in this detent, and then this projecting nub and recess on each side. And the plastic is inside as well. It's just the feed lips themselves that are steel. Said I wanted this to put with a rifle that's already olive drab so I could sell it. These magazines were $16 a piece. I'm not used to paying that for a magazine, especially a 30-round magazine. All right, let's delve into this some more. This is a tool for taking off the handguards, military handguards, on M16, M4. And it's they call it a delta ring wrench. I'm not sure why. A removal tool for $8. Oh, it's another AIM Sports, but this time it's a reflex sight. Dual elimination, 4 different reticles. Has 4 different reticles, and I'm guessing it's red and green. It's $35. Can't beat that. Okay. This is just, why did I need this? I don't remember why I needed a cam pin. But here's a black nitride cam pin for $6. At the time I had a reason for buying this. I don't know what it is now. And now this is not stainless steel. This is a nickel plated catch for $12. And the last thing is a spring pin kit, which, your run-of-the-mill spring kit, $6.50. So in the midst of the corona, that's a care package from ardiscounts.com. And what did it cost me? Okay, free shipping, and it cost me $100. Well, I have a package. I can't make out who it's from. It's from Houston, Texas, and weighs 6 pounds. And I believe it's Firearms stuff. But since I don't know where it's from, I'll hold off judgment on that. Okay, down here it says Primary Arms. And today is the 17th. I ordered this on the 13th. Unless 13th is a Monday, in which case I could have ordered over the weekend. So I don't know what's in it. I wish they had put a list on here. Oh, here we go. They were ridiculously cheap. I'm currently putting together a pistol kit. Okay, so we have a sort of hard rubber. Oh, that's interesting. So this one gets around the strap by actually fitting. Look at that. It is a brace. I don't think anybody can contest that. And it's got some spacers. I don't know what these are for. Oh, I bet they go inside. There's spacers, inside. So you can push the buffer tube down until it bottoms out. We got one more of them. And these should have been cheap. They're just a stamped sheet metal steel. I mean, they're heavy, but they're stand. I checked on the prices of these items, and the Foxtrot Mike pistol brace, which is really, I think, a great brace. Brace was $19.99. The Expo small parts kit was $8, and the Midwest Industries stock wrench is $7. And of course, I don't know whether I pushed the limit to get free shipping or whether it has, every once in a while they have sale and give you free shipping.